Just talking about cleanup, you know, a lot of us spend a lot of time cleaning things up, and a lot of that involves just moving components around a little bit. Maybe you have decoupling caps under a BGA and you need to make a little more room to get a routing channel through, and it can be quite painful at times moving parts and then having to reroute all around them. So I've introduced a new feature that I'm sure you will all love, which is automatic reroute after moving a component. Now, I will give you a little asterisk and say, you're welcome to try it with a big BGA if you want to, but you'll wait a while. It's not an easy thing to do.
You know that's the first thing they're going to do, Ben.
But let's be real here. I mean, we spend hours and hours when routing a complex project like this one, just moving small parts around to make extra room for routing channels, and just realigning components as well so that the placement is better. And so, as an example here, let's say I've got these terminating resistors here, and I've enabled this capability. I just want to move them up there where they belong with their other pals, and it automatically reroutes and glosses the whole thing.